Hi, Barbara Friedberg here, former portfolio manager and university investments instructor. Today, we're going to delve into the SoFi Active Investing platform. We're going to look at the pros, the cons, all of the features, the fees, and by the end of this review, you're going to have a very good understanding of who SoFi is best for and who it is not best for, as well as whether you want to sign up or not. So let's get started. Here are some of the things that we will cover. What is SoFi Active Investing? How does it work? What are the main features? Then we're not going to go through every feature because you'd be here forever, and neither of us wants that. And then at the end, we'll go through the pros, the cons, and we'll even look at a couple of alternatives. Before we sign out, we're going to take a quick visit to the SoFi platform. We like SoFi Investing in general. The fees, a 5. You know why? Stock, options, ETF trading is all free. No fee trading. Investment choices are pretty good. The platform's easy to use, and they've got a decent amount of tools and resources. We believe SoFi is very good for a beginning and intermediate investor, as well as if you're a current SoFi customer. Advantages: free stock, ETF, and options trading. They do offer crypto, although you will have to pay a 1.25% fee for each side of the trade of crypto. The minimum, again, amazing, $1. Of course, you don't want to start with just $1 because you'll never get rich that way. You've got to put in at least a couple of $100 and set up an auto deposit so your money will really have a chance to grow and compound. Now, this is really a differentiating factor. SoFi offers free financial and career advisors to their active investing users. That is a real plus because you get to talk, you make a half-hour appointment. You can ask them about your money questions, the platform, whatever. The cons: only basic account types. So if you want a trust or something like that, you'll need to look elsewhere. SoFi is also not geared for active traders, day traders, sophisticated investors who need advanced order types. So if that's you, you can click off and check out something like Interactive Brokers or another more sophisticated trading platform. So what exactly is SoFi Active Investing? It's a brokerage service. It's provided by SoFi, and you probably know SoFi as the lender. They have a huge amount of products for lending if you need to borrow. They are very well known in the student debt consolidation arena. They also offer insurance products, and they have a very well regarded robo advisor or automated advisor. I talk about that on another video, so I'll put a link to that video below. So how does it work? Very easy. Like any stock, ETF, or trading platform. You just sign up, open an account. Their app is very well regarded too. So if you want to trade from an app, you can be pretty confident that it has a good user experience. And then you just decide whether you want to buy or sell stocks, ETFs. They have fractional shares. There are 0 commissions. And they do only offer, though, market and limit orders. They don't offer stop loss orders. So if you need that sort of that type of investment order, well, then SoFi may not be the platform for you. Again, with options, just long puts and calls, which is great if you're just stepping into options trading and just want to learn a little bit more about it. Actually, their options trading information is very good in their educational platforms. Okay, so let's go drill down into the SoFi Active Investing features. Already talked about their stock, ETF, options, crypto. They have IPO investing and fractional shares if you want to buy, say, $50 worth of a stock that trades for 200. Or if you want to buy $25 of a stock that trades for 200. Top features are predominantly the fact that everything, all of their assets, with the exception of crypto, trade for free. And there is free financial and career advice. The financial advisors are certified financial planners, which is a very high level of competency. Now, the accounts they have available are individual and joint taxable brokerage accounts. Most of you will be fine with that, or with a traditional Roth rollover IRA, or if you have a business, you can open a SEP IRA. Phone support is available. I love talking to a human when I have an actual question. Bots, especially AI bots, I know they try very hard, but typically cannot offer the specificity of responses that you can get from a human. Now, the advisors, they're going to help with general investment planning questions. They're not going to give you advice on stock trades, and don't look at them as a full service fee-based financial planner because they're really not geared for that depth of information. Another thing that's really cool about SoFi is you get a community. So they've got membership and networks of community activities in some of the bigger cities. They have local investment meetings and social functions. That's why they're called SoFi, social finance. Even now, they are offering some promotions, free stock, crypto, and other promotions available. And I will include links below. If you do click on one of the links that I have listed below and sign up through that, our company will get a small commission, which helps to fund these free videos that you are watching. Okay, so who is SoFi Active Investing best for? It's great if you're just learning how to invest, you're a beginner investor or intermediate, and you want to get your feet wet. You want to just invest a couple of $100 because really the best way to learn about successful stock, ETF, and options trading is to do it. It's also good for those that do not need mutual funds and for those who maybe are existing SoFi customers and they want to stay on the same platform for all of their investing needs. I've told you the fees before. They're mind-blowing. Okay, we know that zero stock and stock and ETF fees are common, but zero fees for options trading, very rare. No account management fee. They do charge $75 for an outgoing transfer. That's pretty common across most platforms. Crypto trades are 1.25% on a buy and a sell. Here is a list of their investments, which we've already covered. They have just recently opened up the door to margin loans. So if you're looking to borrow a little cash and then reinvest in the market, you can do that. Just realize that's really risky, and you have to be willing to lose if you do trade on margin. Types of orders are basic, market and limit orders. And the options orders are just buy and sell long puts and calls. Minimum investment, get started with $1 mobile app is well regarded. Okay, educational resources are good, not the best. So let's get down to the pros and cons before we talk about some alternatives and then take a quick visit to the SoFi Active Investing platform. Free investment advice and career coaching. I mean, that's really a bonus. Now, if you have a sophisticated financial situation, you're going to need to go to a more in-depth financial planner, and you'll have to pay for those services. Commission-free stock, ETF, and options trading, crypto trading, fractional shares, IPOs, no account minimum, automatic dividend reinvestment, community events, very good mobile app, and member discounts for other SoFi products and services. Okay, so obviously nothing is perfect. Here are some of the disadvantages of SoFi. Their educational portal is good, not great. Basic learning resources, a little bit, maybe a tad disorganized. They don't have stock research and tools. So if you really want to go into stock market investing, you might be better served with opening something like a Schwab brokerage account, which also offers stock bits, fractional shares, stock trading, and tremendous research and tools. If you would like advanced stock ETF and options orders, again, SoFi's not for you. Now, if all this sounds great, but you're thinking this is a lot of work and you would prefer to have someone else do the investing for you, create the investment platform for you, SoFi does offer an automated investing robo advisor. They also do not charge an investment management fee. We'll put a link to the article, the video about that platform as well below. And now here are a couple of alternatives. Wealthfront. You might want to consider that as well. They offer, there are a robo-advisor, but they do also offer investing in individual ETFs. They have a few more account types, including a 529 college savings plan. Also, you might want to look at M1 Finance, Robinhood, and we've mentioned Schwab. So let's take a quick visit over to the SoFi Invest website. Very clean, very, very good user experience. Here's a list of all the different types of investment opportunities you have at SoFi. You can do active investing, which is what we have been talking about today, automated. Here's the crypto, IRA, options, IPO, portal, fractional shares, and ETFs. No commissions, learn by doing. Of course, fractional shares, knowledge, discussing their educational portal. Mobile is good. Margin, again, I'm not a huge fan of for beginner or intermediate investors. I think it's too risky. You can get ideas. You can do a little bit of basic research, find companies that are selling the products that you like. So let's wrap it up. SoFi Active Investing might be for you if you want a free investment management an investment brokerage account. To learn more, we'll put a link to this article below. We'll put a link to related videos and other services that you might be interested in. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That's how we can grow the channel and inform other people about these investment reviews and learning opportunities. And if you want to be informed of future videos, please sign up, subscribe below as well. And if you don't like this review, let me know in the comments. Well, let me know if you like it as well, of course. But if you don't like it, don't say, oh, you suck. Say, give me some constructive feedback. Tell me what else you want to learn about. And as I mentioned previously, if you do sign up for one of our, to use the SoFi Active Investing platform through one of my links below, we will get a small affiliate commission. Thanks so much for showing up. See you next time. Bye.